I'm making delicious, cheap, creamy chipped beef gravy. You'll need 2 packages of 2 ounces each of Buddig beef. Chop that up into bite-sized pieces. And then you're going to saute that in about 2 tablespoons of oil or shortening, just till it warms through. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour, self-rising or all-purpose, it really doesn't matter. I'm not adding salt because I find that the beef is already salty enough. And you're just going to stir that around until the flour taste is gone, about a minute. Then add 2 cups of milk, 1 cup at a time. I'm using whole milk, but you use whatever you prefer. After I've stirred the first cup of milk in for a little bit and it starts to thicken, I will go ahead and add the second cup. And just keep stirring this continuously. You'll see that it begins to thicken up pretty quickly. As you can see right here, it's starting to boil a little bit, and as it does get thicker. It will thicken more as it cools, so keep that in mind. And here it's very thick. And I think this is perfect. So I've made some toast. I'm going to go ahead and slice that up and slather this creamy goodness over that toast. This is so good. I hope you give it a try. I am going to add a little pepper to mine. And I've sliced up a tomato. I'm going to add that to my plate as well. So I hope you give this a try and enjoy.